At this point, I have the main core and cavity blocks in place, and it's time to deal with the trapped area by using a side core. I'll click the core icon on the Molds toolbar. I'm prompted to select a plane to sketch on. I'll select the inner angled face of the part. This sketch will define the profile of the side core. It should be large enough to encompass the region I'm trying to fix, and it should extend to the edge of the lower plate. When I exit the sketch, the Core Property Manager appears. The first field is already filled in with the sketch I just created. Next, I need to specify the direction of extraction for the side core. By default, this direction is set to be perpendicular to the sketch plane above. In this case, the default direction is not correct. The side core should be extracted along this side. In the next field, I have to specify which mold block this side core will be cut out of. I'll select the upper block from the Solid Bodies folder in the feature tree. The last options will control the size of the side core, similar to defining an extruded boss. I'll enable Hour Draft to 4 degrees. I'll choose Blind as the end condition. The specific distance is not important, as long as the extrusion goes through the entire block. I'll just use the drag handle to make sure this is the case. Because of the position of the sketch plane, it's not necessary to extend the core in any other direction. However, had I created the sketch on the outer part of the face, I would have extended the core so it touched the part. The cap ends option does not apply unless the core ends within the tooling body. In this case, the core extends through the tooling body. I'll click OK, and the side core is complete.